Hey friends! Alright, so today we are going to be making a hot air balloon. So the supplies that you're going to need are a pencil and an eraser, a black marker if you have one, and something large and round to trace for the hot air balloon. So you can see like something nice, big and round. I'm using a Tupperware lid, so just whatever you have around the house that's round and will fit on your paper, that's what you can use. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first we are going to take a sheet of paper and our round object, and we're going to put the round object kind of in the top part of the page, and we are going to trace it. Now we have a nice big round circle. The next thing you are going to do is you are going to make a little line that comes down like this and a little line that comes down like this. See how they kind of curve into the middle and then come down on the bottom of this. You're going to make a really skinny oval. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this part of my line. So now it's starting to look more like a hot air balloon. Now under this, I'm going to make a curved line. It just slightly curves. It's not straight. Just like that. And I'm going to make two lines that come down. This is the basket. And on the bottom, I'm going to do another skinny oval. It's the bottom of my basket for my hot air balloon. All right, now I'm going to come back up here to the top. I'm going to make a line that comes straight down to the top of the basket. On these sides, this side and this side, I'm going to make a line that comes straight from that side to the top of the basket. Then I'm going to have another line that comes from the sides here down to the very corners of the basket. So from right here and from right here. Now I'm going to make some other lines in my balloon. I'm going to start always from the very middle, right up here at the middle, and I'm going to make this line just a little bit curved, and it's going to come down to this corner right here. So it's going to look like this. Just a little bit curved down to right there. Same on this side. A little bit curved down to right there. All right. Now I'm going to make another curved line. It's going to start same place in this middle part up here, this middle point, and I'm going to make it curve around and come down to the side like that. Same thing on this side. I'm going to have it curve around and come back down to the side like that. Now I'm going to make some lines that go across. So they're going to be a little bit curved too. So it's not a straight line. It's going to curve up just a little bit and curve back down. Same, another line right under that that does the same thing. So it's going to curve up a little bit and then curve back down on this side. Now under this line, you're going to do kind of like a half circle, but not quite. just kind of little bumps. Bump, bump, bump. And then under those, you're going to do it again. So I'm going to do that, come back up, come back up, come back up, all the way across. Now I'm going to come down to my basket and I'm going to do a line that follows that line right on top. It's just a little bit curved too. And then I'm going to make some lines that come down to the bottom. Then I'm going to make some curved lines that go across these. So it's going to look like that. Making my rectangles into little squares. Just like that. All right, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some clouds in the sky. So I'm going to start up here. Just kind of bounce around, make my clouds. Oh, this one goes off the page a little bit, that's okay. And then kind of a wavy line on the bottom. There's one cloud. And I'm going to have this cloud is going to be halfway off the page. So I'm going to start like one bump. There's another cloud. Put some clouds down here. Let's make a big cloud right here. And it's going to be halfway off the page too. And then another cloud right down here on the bottom. All right, so now we are all done with the drawing part, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my black marker and I'm going to trace over all of my pencil lines. And I'm going to speed up the video, so if you need to pause it while you catch up, that's fine.